Which of the following is not a disadvantage of wireless LAN? A. Slower data transmitter. B. High error rate. C. Interference of transmission from different computer. D. All above. इसका जवाब है D. All of the above. Network are monitoring by security personnel and supervised by who set up account and password from authorized network user. A. Password administration. B. Network administration. C. The government. D. IT manager. इसका जवाब है B. Network administration. Is a technique that is used to send more than one call over a single line. A. Digital transmission. Inference transmission. C. Digitizing. D. Multiplex. इसका जवाब है D. Multiplexing. The portion of service memory set aside to temporarily hold data pocket from workstation is called A. Diary pocket buffer. B. Pocket block. C. Pocket receive buffer. D. Pocket चाची buffer. इसका pocket cache buffer. इसका जवाब है C. Pocket receive buffer. What frequency range is used for FM radio transmission? A. Very high frequency 30 MHz to 300 MHz. C. 3 MHz to 30 MHz. C. Low frequency 30 kHz to 300 Hz. D. Very low frequency 3 kHz 30 kHz. इसका जवाब है A. Very high 30 MHz to 300 MHz. Band limited signal is a simulated transmission of data to a number of stations. B. Transmission of signal window modulation. C. A signal all of whose energy is contained within a finite frequency ranges. D. All of these. इसका जवाब है A. Simulated transmission of data to a number of stations. ICMP Internet Control Message Protocol is a protocol used to monitor computers that handle error and control message. C. For transfer file from one machine to another. D. Used to dynamically band a high level IP address to a low level physical hardware address. इसका ठीक जवाब है B. That handle error and control message. Working of the Wine journey involve A. ATM. B. Satellite. C. Frame delay. D. All of these. इसका जवाब है D. All of these. E. B. C. D. I. C. can code up to how many different character? A. 8. B. 16. C. 64. D. 256. इसका जवाब है D. 256. Officer line that are spread geographically apart on a large scale can be connecting user cockpit. A. Line. B. Wine. C. Man. D. Dan. इसका जवाब है B. Wine. A software that allows a personal computer to present it as a terminal is A. Terminal emulation. B. Modem. C. Bulletin board. D. Auto dialing. इसका जवाब है A. Terminal emulation. What frequency range is used for TV transmission and low power microwave application? A. Very low frequency 3 kHz to 30 kHz. B. Medium frequency 300 kHz to 3 MHz. C. Super high frequency 3000 MHz to 30,000 MHz. D. Ultra high frequency 300 MHz to 30,000 MHz. इसका ठीक जवाब है D. अल्ट्रा हाई फ्रीक्वेंसी. The most common input device used today is A. motherboard, B. scanner, C. keyboard, D. mouse। इसका ठीक जवाब है सी, कीबोर्ड सबसे ज़्यादा यूज़ होता है आज के दौर में। Which of the following TCP/IP protocol is used for the file transfer with minimum capability and minimum overhead? A. TFTP, B. Telnet, C. FTP, D. RARP। इसका ठीक जवाब है A. TFTP।